month is not a blooper. Because this might not look pretty. I'm trying to get to y'all. Oh. Ah! Okay, don't hit your head. So this is our reflection 337 RLS before we move anything into it. So this is what it looks like. We don't have anything in here yet. We got the rear living. We've got all like a whole booklet of like, look at the homework we have to do, just like instructions. And it came with its own TPMS. The fifth wheel did. So yeah, here it is, blank canvas. Bathroom. The bedroom. And we had washer and dryers installed.
Yay!
The Splendid.
That's how I've pronounced it.
And you get like mood lights in the closet.
Yeah, in case you want to hang out in the closet for a while.
So
I love those windows.
That's just a little short tour of our new home, and we'll try to give y'all a full tour when we get everything moved in and settled and everything, and we'll show you a little bit of the process that it took us to, once it's filled with all of our stuff.
YouTube land, this is what it looks like after you move in. It ain't pretty. We had a 5x8 U-Haul and it was maybe 60% full, but when you put it in less than 300 square feet, I'm guessing that's how it looks. There's the taco bar. There's no tacos on it. See, the technician just put on our fancy new toilet paper roll holder. That's nice. And here's the bedroom. I don't know how we're gonna sleep on that tonight. There's the truck. There's Sean. Alright, this is our pass-through storage for now. It only looks this bad because we have a bunch of boxes. Blackstone stuff. What is this, for example? Cleaning kit. It's never going to take up this much room again, but it's just in a box. The generator isn't going to be quite as big. We're going to take it out of the box. The fire is going to stay in that thing because it's where it comes. I don't know about the bottle jack. A lot of this stuff is going to come out of the packaging, and it won't take up that much room.
We're fixing to leave, and I'm going to figure out how to open the door for the first time. What is this? Oh, that's for the screen door. So I'm assuming it's locked, and now I unlocked it, and you... Oh,
congratulations. You're not a prisoner.
Let me shut it again to see if I know how to lock it. How do you shut it? I don't know if you're supposed to pull on that. And then you turn it that way. Hey y'all, so we wanted to give y'all an update on our credit card issue. We came to Walgreens and we just came out with our FedEx package. It is Monday afternoon at 6 p.m. and we ordered this card Friday night. So they literally shipped it like what? 2-day shipping? I mean, it was over the weekend. Right. So we went into Walgreens and he went back to the back and got it, brought it out. You just have to show an ID. And then poof, we have it. And we opened it and it's got our credit cards in it. So, I mean, it was scary because we're like, well, we're not in an RV park yet. Where are we going to get this stuff shipped? And it was easy, even though we were scared. But did you want to explain anything else about what we had to do?
Yeah. So when I did the research on this, I did some research online and I pretty much found that they said, here's how to redirect your package. Instead of it going to your house or your place of business, here's how you redirect it to Walgreens. You can do that, and there's lots of good instruction online on how to do that. That's not what we did because we're in the middle of moving. We're not even in an RV park yet. We're still in the dealership parking lot, so we don't have anywhere to collect mail. So I called a couple Walgreens and I got a couple people on the phone who were polite, and they're basically like, I don't know, we get them. I don't know. So they didn't know how to do it. So I finally called FedEx and they told me put your name and then Walgreens below it, and then put the address of the Walgreens location, which you can at least call them and say, do you accept FedEx packages, yes or no? That's easy. Anybody can answer that. So then we made sure that this location took FedEx packages, and I eventually called another Walgreens and verified and got somebody smart on the phone who said, yes, that's how you go about doing it. So, and it worked perfectly. It couldn't be any easier. There's no charge. All you have to do is wait in line. It's a great service.
And one other thing, if you are in the Seffner, Florida area, Tampa area, Brandon, Florida, the Walgreens that we used is in Seffner, Florida on Martin Luther King Drive, and it's a 24 hours Walgreens too. So I guess that means you could even come in 1 a.m. to get your package if it had been delivered the day before.
They give you a tracking, and then on FedEx tracking it says ready to be picked up, and they hold it for like 5 days. Don't quote me on that. Policies can change, but that was our experience anyways.
Hey y'all, so I'm standing in front of our new fifth wheel, the Reflection 337 RLS. I'm sure over time I will have that memory, no problem.
How do you feel right now?
I feel a little bit better, but to be honest, I was terrified. Like when they first, I don't know why. Like we've been gearing up for this for 4 years, and I was terrified. I don't know if it's because just the aspect of we're moving into something new, and I'm just being honest. I feel a little bit more comfortable because Lazy Days is just so reassuring. But to be honest, I'm still nervous. I'm nervous about Thursday when we have to move it for the first time, but I am feeling a little bit better. But I don't know. I'm like excited and scared at the first. No, I'm excited and scared at the same time, if that makes sense.
Well, good morning, BDR community. Today is Wednesday, and we're in our RV. This is our second morning. We started on Monday when we purchased it, and spent Monday night and Tuesday night, 2 nights. We'll tell you how that goes in a future vlog. Today's Wednesday, and this, see if I can figure out how to get out of here. This is our first view. Of course, it's always nice looking at the dark horse sitting there. But check out our view. This is the Lazy Days shakedown lot. We call it the shakedown lot. It's the S lot. I don't know what S stands for, but shakedown sounds fine. All these RVs are people buying them, picking them up. Not everybody is in them right now. Some people are going to meet their RV for the first time today. It's supposed to be 85 degrees today, but it is chilly out right now. This is nice. This is very, very nice, and it's free. So we came to Lazy Days to buy our RV, and we liked it so much, we moved in.